Hey, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 15 super simple Python tips that every beginner should know. These tips will help you write cleaner and more efficient code, so let's get started. Number 1. Swap variables in one line. Want to switch the values of two variables? You don't need a third variable. Just do this, A, B equals B, A, fast and easy. Number 2. Readable large numbers with underscores. Make big numbers easier to read by adding underscores. 1 underscore 000 underscore 000 is the same as 1 million, but looks cleaner. Number 3. Assign multiple variables in one line. You can set multiple variables in one line like this x, y equals 3, 4. This can make your code quicker to write. Number 4. Check if a value is in a list. To check if a value exists in a list, use in. It's a quick way to check membership. Number 5. Repeat a string with star. Want to repeat a word? Use asterisk to multiply it. This is how you can make a fun greeting. Number 6. Combine strings with plus. You can easily combine strings with the plus operator. It's a great way to create messages. Number 7. Get the length of a string or list with len. Use len to find out how many characters are in a string or how many items are in a list. Number 8. Convert numbers to strings. If you want to combine numbers and text, convert numbers to strings using str. Number 9. Turn strings to lowercase or uppercase. Make text uniform by changing it to lowercase or uppercase with .lower or .upper. It's super handy. Number 10. Use list indexing. You can access specific items in a list using indexing. Remember, indexing starts at 0. Number 11. Slicing lists. Get a portion of a list using slicing. Use the format list, start to end, to extract parts. Number 12. Use for loop to iterate over a list. Easily go through items in a list with a for loop. It's great for processing each item. Number 13. Use range in loops. When you need to run a loop a specific number of times, use range. It generates numbers for you. Number 14. Use dictionaries to store data. Dictionaries are perfect for storing key-value pairs. Here's a quick example. Number 15. Use comments to explain your code. Don't forget to use comments to explain what your code does. This makes it easier for others, and future you, to understand. And that's 15 easy Python tips to help you code better. Give them a try in your own projects, and see how they can improve your coding experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite tip or any questions you have in the comments. Happy coding, and see you next time.